Oh, hello. Took a quick pee break. Okay, today we're going to be talking about this Grege Goyard bag that I just got for my birthday. In addition to this one and this one that I got for my birthday. These are Goyard limited edition bags that I got for my birthday because I didn't get what I wanted for my birthday. But these are great. Okay, so today we're just going to talk about this bag a little bit, what I like, what I don't like, how it looks, how it works, how it feels. If that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please subscribe and keep on watching. Talk about the bag just in general because it is very different from the St. Louis, even though it is the same as St. Louis, if that makes sense. So, yeah, so here we go. Okay, so first of all, we gotta take you out of these corners, baby. Okay. It was like packed in there. First of all, do any of you guys have a clairvoyant? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? What are your thoughts in the comments below? Let me know what you think of the clairvoyant if you have it already. So this is the Goyard Grege St. Louis clairvoyant. Haven't used it yet, obviously, but she's stuffed and ready to go. Okay, take this off. All right. Okay, so this is what she looks like. This is the Grege and Khaki, which are two new limited edition colors for Goyard. So this is a very unique bag because it's just new and limited and all that. It doesn't have the marquage that other bags do, like this, which usually the clairvoyant does have. Oh no, but which they did last year or 2 years ago. No, last year with the whites, but they never did it with the blacks. So they went back to the gray. I love that they did that. Black clairvoyants for a while, then whites one time. I don't think it was as successful. Never touched mine. Never even used them. No, I did it once. I took it to Lynn's baby shower. Hi, Lynn. And then this one, which is now my newest one. It's already like starting to bend here. But okay, so yeah. So the thing with this versus this, these are soft. St. Louis are very soft and like malleable. This is a little bit more of a structured bag. So that's the first difference. It's structured because the inside, this part is so thick because it's painted on, and it's painted on the inside canvas of this. So it's a thicker layer and it's not as like malleable. But what I don't like about this bag in general, and which I forgot when I got, that I don't like, is that it leaves these, like, I don't know if you can see, but like there's these white where it bends and stuff. So if you try to like bend it or when you fold it, it leaves these like white, almost like it looks like stained use marks inside, like everywhere. I don't know if you can see them, but they're there and they're ugly. Here, I'll just do this so you can see. I don't know if you can see where I'm bending it, but there's like these like bend marks everywhere that turn white, and eventually over time it's gonna start cracking, right? Because this bag does crack, but like when the inside and the outside are painted, it's gonna double crack, which is why I don't like to use this bag. And I forgot that fact when I got this bag because I bought it in a rush. But I do love, I mean, just if you guys were trying to consider getting this bag, first of all, I think it's now sold out, but they might still have some left. Usually they have a few left of the clairvoyant lasts longer than the other bags, but I think the pink one sold out really quickly. The pink always sells out quickly. The thing is that there is a pink shade to this Grege, right? It's a really pretty gray. It's a really, really pretty gray. Their gray is more bright and poppy. This is a little more dull, but it's beautiful. And so with the three of them, the blue pops out a lot because it's so contrasting that you can kind of really see the clairvoyant effect. The pink, a little more subtle, but it's like this kind of pink. It's like this kind of pink. So it's like yeah. And then this is the most subtle because you can't really, I mean, if you look up close, but from far, I think you don't really tell as much. It could just look like a regular Goyard bag. What else? I mean, it's just so, I don't know. Other than that, it's a little more structured. So if you want like the structure of an artois, but you don't want the zip or the leather corners or the price tag, well, it's kind of the same. This might be a better option. A little more limited, right? So like a little less common instead of seeing a black one that everyone has, or the gray or the white that a lot of people have. Greens a lot now too. Honestly, you guys, I think I might not keep it. I was gonna think about returning it, and I will tell you about Goyard returning in a second. Actually, that'll be the next video, okay? Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this bag? Would you have gotten it? Have you not gotten it? With everything going on, I don't know, let me know what you think in the comments below. What are the issues or problems you've come up with it, or what are the benefits? And like, do you feel like it's a little stronger and sturdier? Like, but like when you want that, like that look, it doesn't even give it as well, I don't think. I don't know. Anyway, That's just a little Goyard, Grege, Gabbing, Claire, chatting, Claire chatting, viewing video. Little quickie. Even on the front, it does crease really quickly. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, please share with your enemies. Because I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Good boy. It's 5 a.m. in LA right now. I'm filming these before I go out.